Kaya try lang natin kung anong mangyayari. So clinic na natin yung update. I would like to reiterate na everything on this video is not financial advice. So click na natin yung download anyway. Ayan, kita nyo guys, nag-download, open natin. So makikita natin, do you want to install and update your Binance existing application, your existing data? Oh, will not be lost. Okay, di-install natin. Ayan guys, quick cryptocurrency update tayo today. Ito yung date and time ng recording natin, February 26, Thursday, 12:33 p.m. Manila time. Okay? So to set your expectation itong Binance app na to, hindi ko siya in-install just today. Nasa around the 5 years na nasa mobile phone ko naka-install tong Binance app. Okay, and nung nag-login ako today, may prompt na kailangan ng update. Okay? So what's new? Sabi dito, update for version 3.10.4, okay, ng ating Binance cryptocurrency mobile app. So yung reason kung bakit tayo nagre-record ng video is because during this time period recently nag-announce, most likely nakita nyo na rin tong news na to on social media, specifically itong post ng Bitpinas, wherein sinasabi dito, breaking news, global crypto exchange removed from Google Play Store in the Philippines. So ito yung tinutukoy nila dito is Binance, okay? So ito pa yung isang post nila, February 15 rin yan. So about more than 10 days na, parang 11 days after nila i-post, itatry natin i-update yung Binance app natin. Tignan natin kung ano yung mangyayari, okay? Gusto ko ring malaman, and habang ina-update ko siya, I might as well capture yung recording para for ano na rin, yung reference para sa iba nating mga kapwa Pilipino na uh, na maswerteng nakapag-install ng Binance sa kanilang mga mobile phone before mangyari itong incident na to, okay? So, time and motion yung gagawin natin. Big story. A search for Binance on Google Play Store now yields results for locally licensed coins.ph as well as region-specific versions of the Binance app intended for other jurisdictions such as Binance Thailand and Binance Turkey. Siyempre, inalis nila yung Philippines. Ang galing. Okay? Pero try natin. Sige, gawin natin. Search natin. Binance. Ayan. So, pagka, for example, Pilipino ka, nag-aaral ka ng crypto, siyempre gusto mong mag-explore, pag-aralan yung Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. Pag pumunta ka ng Google Play Store, katulad nung nakita ninyo, pag nag-search ka ng Binance, wala na yung native na Binance talaga na main cryptocurrency app na accessible sa Philippines. Hindi na siya pwede, lalo na kung wala kang VPN. Kahit gusto mo siyang i-download through Google Play Store, kung ngayon ka palang magda-download, ayan, wala na, hindi na pwede. Okay? And yung unang-unang option na pwede nating i-install will be coins.ph. Okay? Okay. Pero hindi ko naman na problema yan. Kaya try lang natin kung anong mangyayari. Okay? So clinic na natin yung update. So okay, pagka ginawa ko to, pag clinic ko yung download anyway, regardless kung hindi ko na ma-access yung Binance ko na mobile app, tanggap ko na yan kasi marami pa naman tayong ibang alternative options, pero based on my own research na lang yun, kailangan nyo rin mag-research. So another thing is that itong update na nag-prompt sa akin, directly coming from the Binance app, okay? So kung external source yung pinanggalingan ng update, hindi ko siya talaga i-recommend, okay? Kasi mahirap na, baka scam link yan or phishing sites, and mako-compromise pa yung security ninyo, okay? So I would like to reiterate na everything on this video is not financial advice. So click na natin yung download anyway. Ayan, kita nyo guys, nag-download, open natin. So makikita natin, do you want to install and update your Binance existing application, your existing data? Oh, will not be lost. Okay, di-install natin. Okay. So stay put lang kayo guys, hintayin natin kung anong mangyayari. Okay, installing, patapos na. Ayan guys, so medyo natagalan siya dun sa may bandang patapos na part. Siguro yung mga bandang 90%. Medyo kinabahan din ako dun kasi nag-stack up siya. Pero makikita nyo naman nakalagay app installed, okay? So ang gawin natin, i-open na natin siya directly, okay? So try natin kung makaka-login pa rin tayo. Well, automatically, naka-login naman na talaga ako kanina. So kita nyo yan, naka-login tayo. Okay, tingnan natin. Ayan, so nasa account info tayo, verified. Naka-login pa rin nga. Okay. Ayan, naka-login ako. So, okay pala basta so ano yung na-prove natin dito? Okay, so let's check lang muna. So ito pa rin naman yung function niya, normal, walang problema, on-chain deposit. BNB, Binance yung pinag-uusapan natin eh. Okay. Ayan, yung mga same functions niya gumagana pa. Deposit BNB. Portfolio kunwari XLM, may convert earn, pag take out, withdraw. So ayun pa rin, gumagana pa rin siya. After natin gawin yung time and motion, so ang na-prove natin, for example, kagaya nyo ako na nakapag-install na ng Binance before February 15 or way back, and kumbaga iniwan nyo lang yung Binance ninyo sa mobile phone ninyo, hindi nyo siya in-uninstall. Whenever may update siya, kung naka-install yung Binance niyo sa mobile phone, gumagana pa rin siya, okay? So, regardless, so ang moral doon or yung tatandaan niyo doon, dahil nga hindi na siya pwedeng i-download ulit directly from Google Play Store, dapat wag mo nang i-uninstall yung Binance mo kung balak mo pa rin naman siyang gamitin in the long run, okay? So, yun yung pinaka-takeaway natin dito. Okay, so I hope nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo, and the disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Maraming salamat.